In today's video, we are going to show you how to download an entire folder from pCloud. This works on desktop and is perfect if you need a full backup or want to store your files offline. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and click the Go to My Account so you will be forwarded to the main dashboard. Now, I want you to browse through your files and navigate to the folder you want to download. In my case, I have the folder section here and I wanted to download this specific folder. If you do, okay, there is going to be a three dots icon here that if you click, there will multiple options that appear. So let me do that again. All right, click that and as you can see, you have the ability to download the folder by clicking the download archive, or if you do, you can simply click the three dots again and download here, and you can press the Ctrl+D on your keyboard or Command if you're using Mac, and plus the D key on your keyboard. Now, all I have to do is before you download, you want to make sure that you have all the files ready. So I have the files perfect here. So what I'm going to do is, again, click the three dots here to download the folder itself. Now click that, click the how to download a folder from pCloud, and then you will be forwarded to your computer. Select a folder that you wanted to save this, click the save button, and basically download has started. So basically that's it. pCloud will automatically compress the folder into a zip file. If the folder is large, this process may take a few minutes, so be patient. Now, once the zip file is ready, okay, all I have to do is browse to your computer, which I'm going to do right now. As you can see, the file has been downloaded here. It's super simple, right? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to download an entire folder from pCloud. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.